If you decide to take a handicapped person in your house, or if you're looking at a fix and you don't have to make your house handicap accessible if it's on one floor, if it's just getting through the bathroom door, I have a solution that's very inexpensive. So I'm going to turn this camera around. Actually, I'm not going to turn this camera around. So I'm going to introduce you to what they call a walker. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around because I'm not doing very good on this. So let me turn this around. Okay, so we have a walker here, and it's sturdy. It's nice and sturdy. But now when we try to get into the bathroom door, look what happens. You can't really get into the bathroom door without hitting, and then your hand hits, and then this hand obviously hits. So we've got a solution. Now remember, this is a pretty sturdy walker. But now I went and purchased a walker that is very narrow. And watch how this goes through the bathroom door. No problem. Hands, no problem. Both sides, no problem. It goes right through the bathroom door. Now, the only problem is, it's wobbly, and it didn't pass the medical standards for PT to come and work with the handicapped person. So we're going to take this into the shop, and I'm going to show you how to make it sturdy very quickly. Anybody can do it. Okay, so here we are, our little wobbly walker. Well, the first thing we have to consider is the walker folds up for car rides, and I'm ducking down because I'm still the same person here. And let's show you how I'm going to lift this up because the camera person didn't show up today. So when we fold it, we pick it up and it has to fold. So how do we brace this? It has one brace already. So we have to be able to fold it. So here's the brace that I came up with. So it's a piece of wood that will be measured, and it'll go on here. It'll slide on here. You could go lower, you can go higher. Now let me show you how we made this. Let me bring the camera over here. The first thing we have to do is we have to find a piece of wood. It's about 1.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch, or what they call 1 by 2. It's solid oak. You need hard wood. How's that? That's better. So I can hold it up. So you need some hardwood, no softwood, because the brace wouldn't be very strong. Now, you'll notice I put holes on both sides. Hole right here's a hole here and a hole here. That is the same size hole as you see here. All right? And what we're going to do is we're just going to attach it. So we have the brace across already. We have no brace here. We have a brace about halfway down and up, so we have two. So we're going to put that brace right there. Now, how we do this is we're going to take this and we're going to spread this apart just a little bit. Okay, just so it's nice and taut. We're going to get the measurement from here to here. So we're going to measure from the outside to the inside, and with that measurement, that'll be the center of the holes. We'll just drill them out with a drill bit like this. Nope, that's a router bit. Okay, these are forest bits. Okay, see, anybody can do it. I'm such a goof when we're doing this, so that's too big. Okay, so we just keep on going down, and that's going to fit there, and that's a 7/8 bit. So a 7/8 bit, we'll drill it down. I'm not going to do it on here because I'll probably lose my fingers. We already did it. I'm just trying to give you instructions, and we did it there. So this outside measurement, this inside measurement is exactly the same as that outside measurement to this measurement. All right, so I'm going to just tinker with this a little bit. And then if you want to slide it on, if it's tight, you just put a little Vaseline. Just a little bit, not a lot, and she'll slide right on that pipe. We just have to take these screws off, not the screws off, the pins, and pull the pipes out, okay? So that is self-explanatory. And when I come back, I'm going to show you the difference in the sturdiness of it. Okay, so here is the finished product. Actually, we can finish the wood and make it look pretty, but it's not necessary. So let's see the sturdiness of it. Look at how much sturdier that is. So now she's approved for physical therapy, and it will also fold. With the holes just like that, it'll fold for the car ride. Let me switch hands and show you that it works both ways. Okay, I'm sorry about the camera work, but more important is we got a walker that'll fit through the bathroom door. It's going to save you thousands of dollars by opening the door to a 3-foot, which is mandatory for handicap accessible. And if there's a tub in the way and electric in the way, it could be a lot more. So for about $120 with the walker and the brace, less than that, it's probably $45. I'm sorry, $125 was the other walker. This was only $45 on Amazon. It's actually 23.5 or 22.5 wide. So it's very accessible through the doors, but you just have to put that little fix on there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. This winter comes, we're going to be cooking all the time. Plus, really tremendously, we're going to do a lot of DIY projects around the house because in the winter time, that's the time to do the inside. Summer outside. See you next time. And again, subscribe to my channel, share it. If anybody could use this video or anybody has challenges with something, you just private message me. I can fix it for you and put it right on here. Okay? God bless. So we're back in the house after the fix of the walker, and I noticed something, that the oak was starting to separate, which means that the client is putting way too much pressure on the oak. It was separating when we put it on. So here is another fix that I did to keep it from separating, no matter how much pressure, no matter how much tension the handicapped person puts on it. Let's turn this around. So what I did